Alright, this will be a short and a really quick video showing how to make the homemade case lube that I discussed in the reloading cost startup video. To make this lube, it's really simple. All you'll need is some lanolin oil and some ISO heat. Now you can also use alcohol, like 99%, but it's not as easy to find. And actually, I think it'll cost more than this ISO heat will. I found this ISO heat for about $2 at Home Depot. And there's a 12-ounce bottle. Now what you'll do to mix this is you'll do one whole bottle of this in your sprayer. You can just, any kind of spray bottle will work. To 1 ounce of this lanolin oil. Now this lanolin oil I bought on Amazon. I think I paid about $7. I've seen it as high as $10, but I paid $7 for this. It's 4 ounces. You use 1 ounce of lanolin oil to one whole 12-ounce bottle of the ISO heat, and that'll make, well, I've used some of this. It'll be about up here probably, so about half a bottle of a sprayer this size. So 1 bottle of this will make about 52 ounces. You know, with 4 bottles of this and the 4 ounces from this, you get about 52 ounces of case lube, and it'll last you a long time, and you'll have about $12 in it. Now your lanolin, make sure you get the oil. Do not get the cream. That cream, it's not going to work. It's useless. You can find this at like health stores. I got it on Amazon. I actually bought 3 bottles. That should last me probably 10 years or more. Because it takes a little bit of stuff, goes a long way, and you'll just throw your cases into a gallon Ziploc bag, give it a couple squirts, you know, from the spray bottle here, and just kind of shake your cases around. And I'll lube anywhere from 30 to 50 cases, mostly 223 cases at one time. And I pour them into a metal pan and let it sit there for just a couple of minutes, and it lets the alcohol evaporate off. And your cases will actually, they'll kind of dry, but it'll just have the lanolin coat on there. And after you size them, then what I do is I take my cases and I put them in the dry tumbler with corncob media and run it for about 10 to 15 minutes, and it gets all the lube off the cases. And I do that before priming or anything. I'll just run them through a sizing die, take them out, tumble them to clean the lube off, bring it back in, then I'm ready to prime and load my rounds. But definitely try this. It's excellent. It works better than any store-bought product I've used. I've not had a bit of trouble out of it, and a lot of reloaders use this. Very simple to make.